Imagine a world where artificial intelligence could learn from data without the data ever leaving your device. It sounds almost like magic, doesn't it? But this is not some far-off dream or the musings of a science fiction novel. It's a reality unfolding right now, revolutionizing how we think about privacy and machine learning. Picture this: a future where your smartphone, your smartwatch, even your car, is part of a network that learns and improves without ever sharing your personal data with anyone else. This is not just a dream, it's the promise of federated learning. Federated learning is a groundbreaking concept that turns traditional AI on its head. In conventional AI systems, data is king. The more data you have, the better your AI model becomes. But there's a catch. This usually means gathering massive amounts of personal data in centralized servers, which, as we've seen time and again, can lead to privacy breaches and security nightmares. Think of it like a library where every book represents a piece of your personal information. Traditional AI demands that all these books be moved to one central library to be read and understood, but federated learning flips this logic. Instead of centralizing data, federated learning allows AI models to learn directly on your device. Imagine that instead of your books being sent to a central library, a librarian visits each of your homes, reads the necessary books, and then returns to the main library without taking any of the books with them. The librarian updates their knowledge based on what they've read in each home. This is the essence of federated learning. Your data stays on your device, ensuring privacy, while the AI gets smarter through decentralized learning processes. This revolutionary approach is being rapidly adopted across industries that handle the most sensitive of information. Healthcare, for instance, is a domain where privacy is paramount. Consider the case of a hospital network wanting to use AI to predict patient outcomes based on medical records. Traditionally, this would require transferring vast amounts of sensitive patient data to a central location, posing significant privacy risks. However, with federated learning, each hospital can train its AI model on its own data. These models then share their learning, but not the data itself, with a central server that aggregates the knowledge to create a more robust AI system. This means better, faster, more accurate predictions without compromising patient privacy. Let's take a step into the world of finance, another industry embracing this technology. Banks are harnessing federated learning to combat fraud and enhance customer service. Imagine a bank using AI to detect fraudulent activity. Instead of pooling customer transaction data into a central database, federated learning allows each branch of the bank to train its model on local data. These insights are then combined, improving the system's ability to detect fraud without exposing any individual's financial information. Yet, for all its promise, federated learning raises as many questions as it answers. How can it be so effective without compromising privacy? The secret lies in a delicate balance between efficiency and data security. In the traditional sense, working efficiently often meant making some sacrifices in terms of privacy, but federated learning challenges this notion head-on. By keeping data localized, it minimizes the risks associated with data breaches. It's like having the best of both worlds, the power of AI coupled with the peace of mind that comes from knowing your data stays with you. Let's delve a little deeper into the mechanics of this process. When an AI model is trained on your device, it doesn't send your data back to a central server. Instead, it sends an update, a refined model, if you will. These updates are aggregated with updates from other devices to improve the global model. The process is iterative, meaning it continuously evolves, getting better with each cycle. This aggregation ensures that no single device's data can be reverse-engineered to compromise individual privacy. Consider a real-world parallel. Think of it like a community of beekeepers trying to produce the best honey. Each beekeeper works with their own bees in their own hives, refining their techniques and making improvements based on local conditions. They share their knowledge, not their bees, with a central cooperative. The cooperative, in turn, synthesizes this information to create better practices that everyone can use. No bees leave their respective hives, yet the collective knowledge benefits all. Throughout this journey, the potential for federated learning to reshape our digital landscape becomes increasingly clear. It's a tantalizing vision of what's possible when innovation meets the demand for privacy. But as with any groundbreaking technology, it leaves us with a web of possibilities and challenges to untangle. Can federated learning maintain its integrity as it scales? Will it become the standard for AI development across all sectors? And how will it transform the everyday interactions we have with our devices? These questions hang in the balance as we stand on the precipice of this new technological frontier. As this cutting-edge technology takes root, federated learning's ability to securely handle sensitive information becomes one of its most celebrated virtues. Consider the arena of personal health apps, where users are increasingly cautious about the digital footprint of their most personal data. These apps track everything from heart rate to sleep patterns and even mental health metrics. Traditionally, they would require centralized data processing to deliver personalized insights, raising concerns over who has access to such intimate details. Federated learning offers a different path. by ensuring that all data stays on the user's device. Health apps can deliver the same, or even superior, personalized experiences without needing to compromise user privacy. An app can train its algorithms using local data and update its model without ever uploading any sensitive information to a central server. This approach not only protects privacy, but also enhances the trust users place in such technologies. When privacy concerns are mitigated, users are more likely to engage fully with the technology, leading to more accurate data and better outcomes for everyone involved. The efficiency of federated learning without sacrificing privacy is nothing short of revolutionary. This is where the concept takes a dramatic turn, challenging the very core of what we believe about data usage and security. In a world where data is often treated as the new oil, federated learning proves that we can harness its potential without the environmental or ethical baggage. The secret to this lies in its ingenious design, which separates the need for large-scale data collection from the pursuit of robust AI models. For businesses, this means a profound shift in how they operate. Imagine a retail giant employing federated learning to refine its recommendations for customers. Each store's system learns from local purchasing patterns and refines its model accordingly. This data, carefully kept on-site, is then synthesized globally to improve the entire network's recommendation system. It's a win-win. Customers enjoy a personalized shopping experience while remaining confident that their data stays secure. The efficiency here is palpable. Businesses no longer need to trade off privacy for performance. Perhaps the most striking revelation about federated learning is its potential to level the playing field across sectors. Smaller companies, which might have previously been unable to compete with the data-hungry giants, now have a chance to innovate without the prohibitive costs of data acquisition and storage. They can leverage local data, maintain customer trust, and still contribute to a larger, global AI ecosystem. This democratization of AI technology might be the key to unlocking a new wave of innovation and competition. Let's not forget the profound effects this will have on our daily lives. The devices we use every day will no longer be passive tools but active participants in a collaborative learning ecosystem. Smartphones, smart home devices, and even vehicles will seamlessly integrate federated learning to enhance their functions. Picture a world where your refrigerator learns your eating habits and suggests shopping lists while keeping all your preferences private. Or a city where traffic lights are optimized in real time based on local driving patterns, reducing congestion without tracking individual driver data. Such advancements could lead to cities becoming smarter in ways we've only dreamed of. Urban planning could be revolutionized as systems learn from local data without infringing on personal privacy. Imagine public transportation systems that adapt dynamically to passenger flows, ensuring efficiency and convenience while keeping individual travel patterns confidential. This is the promise of federated learning, a future where technology serves us without prying into our lives. As we reflect on the journey through the world of federated learning, it becomes clear that this is more than just a technological advancement. It's a philosophical shift in how we engage with data and its ethical implications. By prioritizing privacy alongside progress, federated learning invites us to redefine the boundaries of what AI can achieve. The idea that we can have powerful, insightful AI models without compromising on the sanctity of personal data is a game changer. In conclusion, federated learning not only reshapes the way we build and deploy AI, but also how we conceive of our relationship with technology. It offers a vision of the future where privacy and performance coexist harmoniously, where innovation is driven by collaboration rather than competition, and where every device becomes a guardian of our personal data. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, the possibilities seem endless and the path forward is brimming with potential. As we continue to explore the evolving world of AI and its implications on privacy and security, we invite you to join us on this journey. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest insights and breakthroughs in technology. Together, let's uncover the stories that shape our digital future.